In this practical, we are going to perform the test for bile salts by Hayes sulfur test. For this, we are taking two test tubes. One is called the test and second one is the control. In the control, we are adding 3 ml of water in the test tube and sprinkle some sulphur powder into the test tube. The sulphur powder will not sink to the bottom of the test tube in the control, where we are using distilled water in this sample. In the test, we are taking 3 ml of urine sample where we are adding sulphur powder a pinch into the test tube. After adding sulphur powder into the test tube, the sulphur powder sinks to the bottom of the test tube. It indicates the presence of bile salts in the urine. The bile salts are the salts of taurocholic acid and glycolic acid, which are excreted in the urine in case of obstructive jaundice. The principle behind this is the bile salts reduce the surface tension and hence sulphur powder sinks to the bottom of the test tube.